Good afternoon, my YouTube friends. Today I am going to check what's going on with these orchids. Uh, this is Cymbidium, but rest of it phalaenopsis, and it was outside for a month and a half, and I'm going to check right now what happening. This one is what this one was in water culture, and I took it out. I forgot, so this condition is not so well anymore. It was very good, but not anymore. So I'm gonna take care of that later. And just right now, as I am holding it, I can see that a spike starting. See, a spike starting. So all this as I took outside and wind blowing and everything and moving around, it's get all we like falling off from the soil and parts and everything, and so so, so all of them I need to check out and look at this. All these roots comes out, and I think roots coming out from every direction. See, here is root, and I think this is a spike. I have to make it stable. See how much roots growing here. So let's start and do one by one, taking care of it. As it starts spiking, I'm not going to unpot it. Just make it a little bit tidying up, and then make it a little more stable. I think I have to put a support. I think I'll put some moss around it. The root get exposed too much. This one also growing very well. So I think all of it needs some soil. So I think I'll have to cut this. If I could treat it earlier, I could have saved it, but it's too late now. Four are ready. And let's see this one. I think this is doing good here. Can give lots of branches on the roots here, and there is root here. So, and there is a new growth here. Because the last few years I wasn't taking care of my orchids, they suffer a lot. Excuse me. Okay. Now I put it in the water again. Just halfway. And I'll keep it inside. I'm not gonna take it outside. All of this need water and fertilizer. Maybe I'll make another video for doing the fertilizer. So this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.